It's really difficult for us to hold and speak or attend the video calls on the mobile phones for more than 15 minutes. This is where a mobile stand comes in handy, allows to work on hands free so that we can attend the calls, meetings, and watch videos. In this video, I present you before 5 different mobile stands which I have been using for months. If you are watching my channel for the first time, this is Jaya from Technology. Let's get started. Always remember that mobile stand should be portable, adjustable, foldable and easy to carry. We will start with the foldable and portable stand from Tizen company. It is priced at 129 rupees. It is slim, foldable and easy to carry. This stand built with plastic and weighs just 155 grams. It is a multi-angle stand so that you can adjust the tilt angle to have better viewing experience. The stand comes with rubber pads at the bottom and rubberized cushions undersides to protect phones from scratching and slipping. It can hold all sizes of mobile phones, including 10-inch tablets. But this stand has two drawbacks. One is that if mobile speakers are at the bottom, the sound will be muffled. Second one is that if your mobile charging port or earphones plug is at the bottom of your mobile, then you cannot use this stand. This is Portronics mobile holder, which is made up of aluminum and is rust and corrosion proof. It is strong and rigid, weighing just 122 grams. It's not a foldable stand and viewing angles are fixed, which means it is difficult to carry. The anti-skid silicone pads on the body prevents accidental slips and protects from scratches. It is suitable for flat surfaces like office tables and it can hold mobiles and tablets up to 7 inches. It is available for 111 rupees on Amazon. It is good for attending video calls, watching videos. You can connect a charger or earphones located at the bottom of your mobile. The drawbacks of this stand are it has fixed viewing angles and cannot be portable. This is another model available in Portronics. The difference between the previous one and this one is that we can adjust the viewing angles in this model. Otherwise, it is similar to the previous model which I have shown to you. It is priced at 199 rupees and available on Amazon. This ergonomically designed mobile stand is flexible to use and it allows you to secure the best view by adjusting its height level. It has silicone pads on the stand to protect the phone and is free from rust and corrosion damage. It can hold all the mobiles and tablets up to 7 inches. This is foldable, adjustable and easy to carry mobile stand from ELV company. It is made from aluminum alloy material and weighs 169 grams. It is very strong and sturdy in construction. It supports all the mobiles and tablets up to 10 inches. It is a very convenient stand and you can adjust to any viewing angle you want while working. The anti-slip pad on the stand helps to keep your devices in place while in use and prevent from daily scratching and sliding. ELV cell phone stand for desk can be fully folded to pocket size, which will save you plenty of space and make it easy to carry anywhere. Very convenient for daily life. It is priced around 279 rupees and available from Amazon and Flipkart. In my usage with all the mobile stands, I felt this is the most convenient stand for me. This is a portable and folding universal stand for tablets up to 10 inch, but you can also use for mobiles as well. It is a small and compact stand made of plastic and weighing just 50 grams. It allows your device to position it horizontally or vertically at different comfortable viewing or reading angles. The stand can be folded up and placed in a bag or even in a pocket to carry while traveling. It has foam padded back, which protects the device from scratches and keep in steady position. The groove pad at the bottom holds your device firmly and will not allow to slip your device easily. It is priced around 169 rupees and available on Amazon and Flipkart. This is all for now. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. Signing off for now. Bye-bye.